Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Flow Launcher on Windows 11 step by step. If you want a faster way to launch apps, search for files, run commands, and improve your productivity, Flow Launcher is one of the best free tools you can use. So let's get started. First, make sure Flow Launcher is installed on your Windows 11 computer. Open it from the Start menu or press the default keyboard shortcut, which is usually Alt and Space. Once you do that, the Flow Launcher search bar will appear in the center of your screen. Next, start typing the name of an app, file, folder, or Windows setting. Flow Launcher will instantly display matching results as you type. Yeah, you don't need to enter the full name because the search updates in real time, making it much faster than browsing through menus. When you see the item you want, use the up and down arrow keys to highlight it, then press Enter to open it. You can also perform quick calculations, search the web, open system commands, and use installed plugins directly from the search box without opening additional applications. To customize your experience, open the Settings menu. Here you can change the keyboard shortcut, manage plugins, adjust the appearance, and choose whether Flow Launcher starts automatically when Windows 11 boots. Take a few minutes to explore these options so the launcher works exactly the way you want. After everything is configured, you'll be able to open applications, find files, and complete common tasks with just a few keystrokes, helping you save time every day. And that's it. You now know how to use Flow Launcher on Windows 11 to work faster and more efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.